Who's gonna walk the plank today?
I'm a pirate, sailing on the sea. A pirate, the pirate life's for me. I'm a pirate, the ocean is my home.
Arr, set the sail!
Yo ho ho! Well, sailing is my specialty, I do it all the time. This map, it leads to treasure, and soon it will be mine. And you see, I've got a patch that's covering one eye. I say that it's for looks, but really I'm half blind. I've got a parrot friend, my shoulder's where he stands, and I wear some dangly earrings, which adds to my pizzazz.
Looking good, Captain.
My ship and crew and I have sailed far and wide. I wonder what is next to catch my one good eye. I'm a pirate, sailing on the sea. A pirate, the pirate life's for me. I'm a pirate, the ocean is my home.
Arr, set the sail!
Yo ho ho! I've got my pirate hat with a skull and crossbones, and my pirate sword is shiny and it's curved like a bow. I walk a little funny 'cause I have a wooden leg. I lost my real one to a giant squid named Andre.
Arr, you almost got me, didn't you, boy? Why, Captain?
I'm a pirate, sailing on the sea. A pirate, the pirate life's for me. I'm a pirate, the ocean is my home.
Arr, set the sail!
Yo ho ho,
Arr, set the sail!
yo ho ho,
Arr, set the sail!
yo ho ho. You know what? I was thinking that today we could go outside and do something fun. You know what? I love playing on the playground. Play some games on the playground. Catch some rays on the playground. Well, it's a good day when you get to play on the playground. There's a slide, let's go down it. Woo! Down the slide, we should try to go back up it. Woo! Up the slide, let's pretend that the ground is lava. Woo! Don't get burned, someone is the lava monster. Woo! Hope I don't get burned. Yeah, I love playing on the playground. Play some games on the playground. Catch some rays on the playground. Well, it's a good day when you get to play on the playground. We can play on the monkey bars, woo, like monkeys in the jungle. Let's try to hang upside down, woo, like monkeys in the jungle. Let's go swinging on the swing set, woo, swinging so high. I hope someone gives me an underdog, woo.